Hi John. In this video, I will show you how to see your current Facebook password. For this, what you have to do is go to your Gmail account, then click on the profile. After that, select Manage your Google account. Now, from here, select Password Manager. As you can see, the Facebook icon here, click on this. It will ask you to confirm your identity, give your device password, and here is the Facebook Gmail and password. Just click on this I button here and it will show you the current Facebook password. So that's guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.